The same event, the same speech, the same fireworks. One headline calls it a birthday party for a nation. Another leads with a heat warning and a question about who's still invited. This is Media Lens. The facts first. President Trump travels to Mount Rushmore to kick off a weekend of events marking America's 250th birthday, with a speech and celebrations rolling into the 4th of July. Officials have issued extreme heat advisories across parts of the country, urging people to hydrate and take air-conditioned breaks. That's the shared core. Now watch the outlets pull it in different directions. Some coverage played it as pure milestone, the anniversary, a president at a national monument, a weekend of pageantry. The word that anchors it is celebration. Other outlets led somewhere cooler, opening not with the fireworks but with the forecast, foregrounding the extreme heat, the health warnings, the strain on 4th of July event planning. Same trip, but the lead sentence is about risk, not revelry. And a third strand made it about meaning. Coverage quoting figures who framed the anniversary around patriotism as an act of dissent turned the birthday into a debate over what the country is celebrating. Ad reports that Denmark is holding its traditional 4th of July gathering this year without a U.S. invitation, and the milestone becomes a mirror for how America is seen at home and abroad. Three lenses, one weekend. Celebration, hazard, contested meaning. None of them is fabricated. Each is a true thing an editor chose to put first. And first is the whole game. The outlet that opens on the monument and closes on the heat tells a story of triumph with an asterisk. The outlet that opens on the heat tells a story of a country straining to celebrate. Reverse the order and you reverse the mood, without changing a single fact. Even the photographs argue. A wide shot at golden hour says grandeur. A close-up of a sweating crowd says endurance. The image is an opinion you don't have to read. Here's what this tells you. On a story everyone covers, a holiday, an anniversary, a national ritual, the bias rarely lives in the facts. It lives in the order. What runs first, what runs last, and what gets left in the caption. The event is fixed. The sequence is a choice. So this weekend, read past the first paragraph. The celebration and the strain are both real. AICommandapp.com. That's today's Media Lens. Subscribe and hit the bell.